Good morning. Today, it's going to be a good day on a lake I really like coming to. This is Grassy Lake in Winter Haven. I've fished it a ton. We're going to be going after bluegill and bass today. That's it. We should do pretty good. We're here nice and early. There's one other boat here. So, let's go catch us some big bluegill, some big bass. We did it! Never give up! Did a color change and we got a bluegill. Oh yeah, he really got it. Yep, I am recording. There we go. Be a nice bait size if you were going for some gigantic bass, but finally a fish. Let's get him back. Let's go catch a million more. We caught bait. Okay, made another color change because black and silver wasn't getting it done either. That guy clobbered it. He wanted it. He's tiny though. He's pretty. He's just tiny. See if we can catch a big one. Okay, yep, that was cool. Yes, all right. I didn't catch the last bass I recorded, or didn't record the last bass I caught. But that's okay because he wasn't nearly as nice as this one. Look at that guy. He's probably 2 pounds. You know what? We don't have to say probably. Have a scale. Let's get it out. Get it on. Pounds and ounces. Just run that right up in there. Hey, pretty good. 2 pounds, 3 ounces. There you go. 2-pounder on a rooster tail. It's always fun. Let's get him back. Off he goes. What are they, tilapia beds or are they bass beds? That is the real question. Woo! I actually watched this guy come up, miss it, so I stopped it and he came back and crushed it. So that was cool. Don't know what that was. Anyway, another bluegill. Nice one. What in the world? We've caught the tiniest bass in North America. I told you, this white one catches everything. He'd be great if you were starting a fish tank. He'd be awesome. But we're not, so back he goes. Alright folks, this is where we're going to call it a day. The wind picked up, we're getting gusts above 20, so I'm getting a little roar out paddling around. So we're going to call it a day there. Caught a few good fish. Again, not the day we wanted, but this time of year it's about the best we can get. I'll see y'all next week.